Hey everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to show you my winnings from Hummingbird Tales, who is Tina, here on YouTube. And I'm going to have the link to Tina's YouTube channel, Hummingbird Tales, in the description box below this video. So please go over and subscribe to her. These are my winnings, which, yay! I got from her. She had a challenge back in October, I think. October or November. And I was lucky enough to be one of the winners. And she sent me a package. And so I've just opened it. I haven't looked. Everything's still inside. I'm just covering up the address there. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. So I'm going to pull everything out. Oh my goodness. There's lots of little goodies in here. Oh, I'm so excited. And the first thing I see is this. Oh my gosh, look at this tag. Oh, that's beautiful. Blue is my favorite color too, Tina. And she's sewn all the way around the edge. And she's done some hand stitching here with the tiniest little French knots. I think this is metallic thread here. And she's done some mixed media on the background. And this beautiful satin here bow. Oh, it's so pretty. In the cold and frosty air. Oh, I love it. Oh, there we go. Dear Kim, here's your prize for entering my challenge giveaway. I hope you enjoy it as much as I loved making it for you. Aw, I hope you have a happy, hopeful new year. Crafty hugs from Tina. Aw, thank you, Tina. I love this tag, and I will be putting that in a journal for sure. I don't know which one to open first. I think this is probably the main prize, and hopefully you don't hear too much noise. My husband is coming in the front door and his friend is outside. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's open this up. I have no idea what's in here. It is a little blue polka dot package. Oh my gosh, everything smells amazing. I love the colors. Oh, there's little goodies in here. Oh my gosh. Did I get everything? Yes, so pretty bag. And in here she's got some little bling, some tiny little paper clips, more of the turquoise bling, and it looks like she's kind of done a theme of the wintry theme with the turquoise, which are my favorite colors. Hopefully you can see all of the goodies that are in there. So that's a little bag of goodies. And then on the spool, she's got some of this really sweet little pom-pom trim. I love this. That's so cute. Can I get it off of here? Well, anyway, it's pom-pom trim. There's the edge of it. It's super cute. I love it. And then on here, she's got other trims. This cute little blue trim. Hopefully you can see that one right there. And then she's got some snowflake trim, and then another very tiny little trim right here in white, and then a silver snowflake trim on there. And here she's got some of the blue bulb pins, which I love, and a silver lace, a blue ribbon, and then a little white lace right there. So thank you so much for those, Tina. I love them. I love the colors. And now we will open this one. We'll just rip it. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, there's something there. Oh, I think this is the envelope she made. Yes, she did show this. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I think this might be a bead bangle. She wrapped that up really well. Yeah, she made some boho beads. Look at that. Oh, I love, I love, I love. She did like a snippet roll, and she sewed all these laces and trims on the envelope, and look at the beautiful beads she made. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the texture on this envelope, Tina. That's amazing. I'm not sure how to open it. There it is. Okay. It has a little snap. Look at that. Oh, and is there... It has a little journal inside. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's just adorable. Look at this paper. And this is her channel, Hummingbird Tales. Look at this paper. And she sewed all the way around it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at the angel. And she's got some of that pom-pom trim and some and little stars. Oh, it's so pretty. And there's a paper doily. You can tell she's done some mixed media on here. It says a star of your own at the top. Look at that. Oh, I love it so much. Look at this. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, this is a great little journal to keep in my purse. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, look, this little tag there. The deer on it. And she's coffee dyed the papers. Oh, look, and then in the middle, she's got these little stars here. Snowflakes, pardon me. Hopefully you can see those on her, the ends of the string for her signature. Lots of places to journal and write in here. Oh, I love the owl. Oh, this is so nice, Tina. Thank you. Little paper doily. And more of this beautiful trim. I love it so much. Thank you, Tina. Oh, it's beautiful. And this envelope is just gorgeous. So she sewed all of that. Look at the work that's gone into that. It's just amazing. Thank you so much, Tina. And then there's one last package here. Let's see what's in here. It's a little goodie bag. Oh my gosh. I'm going to alter this bag for sure. Okay. Oh my goodness. This would be ephemera, I think. Oh wow, look at lots of ephemera along the same theme as the journal and the frosty winter. Little squirrel there. Oh, these are little pockets. Oh my goodness, so I can make a little journal. I'm going to do that. That's a little envelope, owl, little bird ticket. I love these. Oh, look at the little house. These are all ready, little tags, all ready to go to make a journal of my own. Tickets, rabbit. She loves rabbits. That's a fox that she's sewn around. Bunny, owl. That's a little envelope there. Oh my goodness, these are fabulous. Thank you, Tina. And I think this opens up. And that's a little journaling spot. And I think this opens up somehow. It's in a knot. But anyway, it opens up. So it's a little journaling spot. Thank you so much for that, Tina. I love ephemera. In fact, I just said that to my friend Amy today. Oh my goodness, and there's more in this one. Oh, and these are little images of vintage people. Oh, I love these. Look at how great these are. They're like Christmas and winter angels. Oh, I love angels. That's why I have it in my name. Fabulous. These are really great. Thank you so much, Tina. Oh, that's so cute. Little girl in the snowman. I love these. I can't wait to do a little journal with those. You are hooking me up with the ephemera, and I really appreciate that. I don't have a ton of ephemera, so that's good. And there's another beautiful image. And then this looks like everything to make a journal, which is awesome. Look at this. She's got some of that really cool paper. And then she's given me coffee dyed paper that she's done, graph paper, line paper, like everything I need to make a journal. I could put this on the cover. And then she's gifted me some ribbon here and some of her hand stitching. Look at that. Wouldn't that look beautiful on the cover? And some of this really cool fabric. It's netting, but it's got like, it feels like snow on top of it. Oh, this is amazing. And little paper doilies and some really cool papers. So everything I need to do a winter journal. How fabulous, Tina. Thank you so much. Look at that. That would be great. And in my favorite colors too. So I'm very excited. I am going to definitely do that. Maybe I will start that on a video series. Thank you so much, Tina, for the wonderful gifts. I love it. I love the little journal you made and the envelope and all the little goodies that you've sent me and the ephemera. And I'm definitely going to make this journal, and I really appreciate you sending it to me. So please go over and check out Tina's channel. The link is in the description box below. She's a very, very talented lady. She makes beautiful journals, as you can see here. Super talented. So please go over and check her out. Thank you so much. And I will be back with another video soon. Take care, guys. Bye.